In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use groups in Salesforce CRM. Whether you are a new user or someone looking to optimize your Salesforce experience, understanding how to manage groups can be crucial for maximizing efficiency and maintaining organized data flow. Let's begin by exploring the different types of groups you can create in Salesforce. First, there are public groups, which are incredibly useful when you need to manage sharing rules, folder access, list views, and flows across multiple users. These groups allow you to say, hey Salesforce, permit these collective actions for these specific members. Next up, we have the permission set groups. These are perfect for when you want to bundle multiple permission sets into one assignable unit. They make it easy to manage permissions by grouping together related sets, which simplifies the application of roles across different users. Now let's dive into creating a public group. Start by clicking the gear icon located at the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. From there, select Advanced Setup. This will take you to a broader administrative dashboard where you can customize your organization's data settings. Once you are in Advanced Setup, use the quick find search bar in the Setup menu. Type public groups and select it from the results. This will lead you to a page specifically meant for managing these groups. Find the new button and click on it to start creating your first group. You'll need to enter a label that clearly identifies the purpose of the group. This makes it easier for future reference when managing multiple groups. After labeling your group, it's time to select its members. Use the available members list to find and add members to your group. Simply select the members you wish to include and click on the arrow to move them to the selected members list. This action finalizes their inclusion in your custom group. Moving on, let's explore how to create a permission set group. In the setup menu, once again use the quick find search bar, type permission set groups and select it from the drop down results. Click on new permission set group. Here, you'll also need to enter a descriptive label. This helps in easily identifying and managing the group later on. When you're finished, click save. After saving your permission set group, click on permission sets in group followed by add permission sets. You'll see a list of available permission sets. Select the ones that you wish to bundle together in your group and click add. This action incorporates the chosen permission sets into your group. Finally, click done. With these steps, you have successfully created both a public group and a permission set group in Salesforce CRM, allowing for streamlined user management and data handling. Remember, the true power of Salesforce lies in its flexibility and customization options, so continue to explore and tailor these features to fit your specific needs. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.